Good morning, good morning. We're at Tropicana Garden Mall. Today we're gonna get my facial because my skin has been breaking out. We're gonna eat some breakfast now. I love that name, Brown Sugar Hair Salon. Lot 1F. Push for gleaming skin. It's a vending machine for skincare. Scan your e-wallet, like your Touch and Go Pay or your Grab Pay or your Ali Pay, and then you can immediately get your stuff. Let's find something to eat. Oh, secret recipe looks so cute. So check it out. It's a oolong tea on the bottom. Gives you a mustache. Yeah. Oh, it looks so good. Doesn't it? So this, I think this is red bean. This is pandan. This is red bean. Take a bite. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's kind of dry. Very dry. No, very bad. Oh my goodness. Dry. That's inside. Ta-da! With green tea, red bean, and other stuff. Can you try? That's what you did. This is so pretty. How cute this place looks. Hi. Wow. OK 啊，很好啊，Yeah。哦，谢谢，拜拜。I did like microdermabrasion, and then I had this light therapy, and also the vitamin spray. And in the end, I mean, they did some extraction from my forehead because I had some pimples or some whiteheads stuck in there. How cute is this face? We're gonna eat at Beauty in the Pot. Beauty in the Pot.
这两个，一个是猪骨汤，它是用猪骨跟干贝一起熬制出来的。
一般啊。
对，就是鸳鸯哦，就是一个是 collagen， 然后一个是香辣锅。
可以拌一拌。Others?
我们是有吃就是收费的，就是一位的收费是7块9，如果拿一碗2个人吃，我们是算2个人的费用。这是什么？这是柚子冰沙解腻的。